This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E tablets. To begin, understand that vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it's best absorbed with food containing some fat. A common daily dosage for adults is around 15 milligrams, or about 22 international units, but always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. It's vital for cell protection and overall wellness. Many people turn to vitamin E for its remarkable skin benefits. You can take tablets orally to nourish your skin from within, promoting a healthy glow. Some even puncture a soft gel and apply the oil directly to scars or dry patches, though this should be done cautiously. It helps maintain skin's natural barrier, keeping it supple and smooth, and can reduce signs of aging. Beyond skin, vitamin E tablets offer significant internal health advantages. As an antioxidant, it helps combat oxidative stress throughout your body, supporting cellular integrity. It's important for maintaining a robust immune response, helping your body defend itself. Furthermore, it plays a role in eye health, contributing to clear vision as you age and supporting brain function. When taking vitamin E, adherence to recommended dosages is key. Most adults find 15 milligrams or 22 international units per day sufficient. Remember, it's a fat-soluble vitamin, so taking it with a meal containing healthy fats enhances absorption. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any medical conditions, always speak with your physician first to ensure safe use, as high doses can have serious risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.